Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to show you how to clean your dishwasher machine. What you'll need. 1. A cupful of white vinegar. 2. Dishwashing soap. 3. A cupful of baking soda. 4. Toothbrush. 5. Soft sponge. 6. Soft cloth. How to clean the dishwasher drain. This is the part of the dishwasher that's at the receiving end of food debris or remains, grease, dirt, and grime. Remove all racks at the bottom of the dishwasher and check the drainage. Clean the drain with soap and a soft sponge. Ensure that you remove all dirt, food remains that are stuck in there. They cause harm to the machine if accumulated for long and reduce its function. After cleaning the drainage, replace the racks. The dishwasher filter. Remove the filter and soak in warm water containing soap to remove stains and stuck on dirt for a few minutes. Wash thoroughly with soft sponge and soap and rinse with clean water. Then clean all surrounding areas including holes and spray arms. Replace filter to the dishwasher. How to clean your dishwasher with vinegar. Put a cupful of vinegar at the upper rack of the dishwasher. This should be the only thing inside the machine. Then optimize the hot water setting and run a first wash cycle with a cup of vinegar. Vinegar helps to remove grease and other dirt from the dishwasher. How to clean the dishwasher with baking soda. Sprinkle a cupful of baking soda at the lower rack in the dishwasher. Optimize the hot water setting and run a second wash cycle. At the end of the second cycle, leave the dishwasher closed for some minutes for the steam effect. Baking soda is helpful in removing tough stains and odor from the dishwasher, leaving it sparkling clean. How often should the dishwasher be cleaned? There are no set rules as to how often you clean dishwashers. It depends on how frequent the machine is used, and the total number of dishes washed per day. However, you can split the cleaning into daily, weekly, and monthly routines for easy cleaning and to also prevent the accumulation of grime. Here are some maintenance tips for your dishwasher machine. 1. Do not use bleach to clean your dishwasher as it affects the steel sections of your machine, which in turn affects its function and lifespan. 2. Do not put anything else inside the machine while cleaning except the cup of vinegar, which should be dishwasher safe. 3. Avoid scraping the dishwasher interiors with hard objects. 4. Ensure that the cleaning procedure is right for your dishwasher model. For clarification, check the product manual or call the manufacturer. If you found this video helpful, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications so that you'll be the first to see our updates. Also, drop your comment so we'll know your thought. Don't forget to check the description below for more details. Visit our website, zimdishwashers.com, for more dishwasher content like this. Thank you for watching.